Hi there, Alec O'Mara at Unitil here to give you an update on our restoration efforts so far. Right now it's about 8 o'clock in the evening and we have about 10,000 customers without power. That's down from a peak of around 20,000 customers earlier today. Crews are going to be working all night long. We have fresh crews out there that are going to be restoring power through the evening hours, and then we'll have other crews that'll come on after them. We're seeing a lot of questions right now on social media asking about restoration times and how long it's going to take to bring everyone back on. Well, this has been a long duration event, and one of the things we need to have happen before we can estimate a restoration time is we need to have the storm to be over. It does appear that the hazardous conditions have passed, so what we're doing right now is trying to gather all the information we have as far as the type of damage that's out there, and once we have a clear picture of the total amount of damage, we can then estimate how long it'll take to restore power. That work is ongoing right now. As soon as we have that work complete, we will be providing that information to you guys through our social media accounts and on our website. In the interim, you can keep an eye on our outage map at unitil.com/map and get the most accurate information as to the number of customers out there. And as we have estimated restoration times, we'll be providing them there as well. We ask everybody to stay safe out there and keep an eye on our social media feeds for the latest as far as what's going on. Thanks much. Stay safe.